I believe that one day when I get big capital, I will really make it through. For now, I don't have big capital because I don't have even money to buy challenge yet, but my trading skill has really improved a lot, and all is just kawa. I'm only trading on small account, as I told you, and it's always advisable to start trading on small accounts, not big accounts, because if you start on big account, you are likely to lose that money, and it can cause you mental mental torture. Can is it right? Mental, like as in suffering mentally, because money is always hard to make outside there, and then you had earned money, you end up dumping it in the market,